Friends, last class we had discussed about how the British they started to capture the place of southern part of India, and what was the procedure or what was the problems going on in that situation or that century. So these are the matters we had discussed in last lesson, and we had discussed another point. In that time only in Mysore Odias, since some of the changes is happened in a political administrative system. So one of the important person he took a leader or he became a king in a place of Mysore Odias, that is Hyder Ali. And after that we are knowing that one how he became a power in that particular place. So these are the matters we are discussed in last video. So in this video we are discussing how Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan started battle against British, or how they opposed the rule of British government or British East India Company. So in this matters we are discussing in this class. So first of all we want to know the Hyder Ali and Tipu Sultan, they opposed by British government as they did by, there are four Anglo-Mysore wars because of to oppose the British rule. So in that now we are discussing each one by one Anglo-Mysore wars. So each wars, what happened, who won, so what was the effects in that war. So these are the matters we are discussing. So first one we want to know, here they given first Anglo-Mysore war. So this first Anglo-Mysore war started in the year 1769 and starting year 1767, ending year 1769. That means 1767 to 1769, the first Anglo-Mysore war held. So what was the reasons why they started the struggle by British or Hyder Ali against the British, or why British they started battle against Mysuru? Because of on that time the other dynasty of southern part or South India, so one is Nizam of Hyderabad, second one is Marathas, both also they given full importance or full equal rights or power to British government in that particular dynasty. That only they are saying they tolerated by British government. They given equal importance to British peoples in that particular dynasty, Marathas and Nizam of Hyderabad. But Mysore dynasty in Hyder Ali, it did not given that much of importance. It did not given that much of power or rights, or it did not enter any matters in Mysuru. So this is one of the important reason the enmity situations created between Mysuru and British, or Hyder Ali against British. So this situation understood by Hyder Ali. So British now they are thinking, so if you are doing this like only situation, if you are not given this like of freedoms like Marathas or Nizam of Hyderabad, British they can attack in the Mysore dynasty. So they thought that like only Hyder Ali. So he created by allied party between Nizam of Hyderabad and Marathas. Hyder Ali he started one of the new alliance group with the including of Nizam of Hyderabad, and another one is Marathas. So after that what happened, here they are saying when these like of situations created by Hyder Ali, after that here they are saying, so another one point here they are saying when the British they started by battle against Marathas, so on that time also Hyder Ali he given support to Maratha dynasty. So Marathas and Nizam of Hyderabad they thought that Hyder Ali is one of the strong person. If he with us, we can win all the battles against British government. So they also joined with Hyder Ali. But after that, the British government they understood what was the procedure or what was the method using by Hyder Ali. So same cunning way implemented by British government, and they break the parties of Nizam of Hyderabad, Marathas and Hyder Ali. So when they break the party, so after that Nizam of Hyderabad and the Marathas both also join with British government or British East India Company. In beginning they have both also they supported by Hyder Ali, but after that when the British government they used the wrong route, that only we can say cunning way, so on that way the Marathas and Nizam of Hyderabad, they are given support to British government. So next one they say, so when they started this like of tri-party, the enemies created against Hyder Ali as a three groups or three dynasty or three powerful kingdoms. One is British, second one Nizam of Hyderabad, third one is Maratha dynasty. But finally, Hyder Ali once again break the tri-alliance party of British alliance. So once again Marathas and Nizam of Hyderabad, once again they came and they given support to Hyder Ali. So in that middle time, in that situation time, in 1767, here they saying Hyder Ali and the Nizam of Hyderabad both also included alliance group. They started battle against Nizam of Arcot. So when they battled against Nizam of Arcot, so on the time British they given support to Arcot. So Hyder Ali started battle against. So in that battle here they are saying it took place of Tiruchirappalli, Tiruvannamalai, Amburu and other places. And we already know is the Hyder Ali is known as the innovations of war. So in that base he captured so much of wars. He captured some of the place. So after that next one here they are saying the British also they also captured some of the place, but they become some weak in southern part. Because of the British single army, they battled against Hyder Ali, but Hyder Ali, they already given support of Marathas, with the help of Marathas and Nizam of Hyderabad, they are doing battle against British. So, British here in the beginning stage of war, the British become setback. So after that here they saying Hyder Ali is challenged the war because of here they saying the military force of Bombay, they also come and join the war. So after that, this is one of the important challenge for the Hyder Ali, because we all are knowing is one of the important warrior. So that's why he took the challenge and he started the struggle. So after that here is saying the army of Hyder Ali, they reached till Madras in 1769. So when they reached the Madras, and they created so much of damage to British government or British East India Company. So on this purpose, so on this way, because of this is one of the important colonies for British government. Which one? Madras. So when the Hyder Ali they entered the Madras, the place of the Madras, so British they become so much of setback because they suffered lot of. So that's why British they did agreement with Hyder Ali. Means they did one of the important treaty with Hyder Ali because to want to stop this first Anglo-Mysore war. So which agreement or what treaty they did? So that only they are saying by Madras Treaty. So when the Hyder Ali and the British government, when they signed by the Madras Treaty, the first Anglo-Mysore war ended. So this is an important point about first Anglo-Mysore war. First one, we all are knowing. First of all, Hyder Ali, he did allied party with the help of Nizam of Hyderabad and Marathas, but British they broken. And they did the tri-alliance party. But after that, Hyder Ali, he also broke on the party. And with the help of Nizam of Hyderabad, he did battle against Arcot in 1767. But on that time, British, they given support to Arcot. But the Hyder Ali and another person, Nizam of Hyderabad, they captured some of the places in southern part. Tiruchirappalli, Tiruvannamalai, Amburu, these like of places they captured. So after that, they went to till Madras. So on that time, the Bombay soldiers also, British Bombay soldiers also, they came to battle against Hyder Ali, but lot of setback here did by Hyder Ali to the British. So that's why British they entered the agreement. That agreement name is Madras Treaty. So this is the important point about the first Anglo-Mysore war. So after that, after this one, we can see now second one Anglo-Mysore war also they did, British and Hyder Ali. So why they did, what was the reasons, what was the effects? Now we understood first Anglo-Mysore war. So in that first Anglo-Mysore war, who won? We all are knowing Hyder Ali. He won the battle. So that means now we want to know why once again they lost the battle, British government, why they started struggle against second time, and what happened in second struggle, second Anglo-Mysore one, who won, or any result or any effects, that only we want to know. So in the second Anglo-Mysore War, for one of the important reason, here they are saying that is the political problem of Tiruvankur and Tanjavur. So this is one of the important place, because of in that place there some of the important political problems is going, that is who want to become leader in that particular place or who want to lead the particular place. So these legal problems they arise in the place of, here they given Tanjavur and Tiruvankur. So in that middle, we all are knowing in the first Anglo-Mysore War, so in that war in British, they done agreement with a treaty with Hyder Ali. So in that based, the British government or British East India Company, they lost so much of powers in South India, because till that much time they ruled, they established their supremacy in the place of southern part. But when they lost the battle in first Anglo-Mysore War, the other dynasty of in South India also, they did not give that much of respect to British government, because of one of the strongest dynasty defeated by Mysuru or Hyder Ali. So they also watching the situation. So if they got any situations, if we can war against, we want to war against the Hyder Ali. So in that middle, here they say the Maratha king, the Peshwa of Maratha, here they say Madhava Rao, he attacked, here they given Srirangapatna. So when the Maratha Peshwa Madhava Rao, when he battled against the Hyder Ali, and when he came to till Srirangapatna to battle against Hyder Ali, on that time Hyder Ali, he asked the help of British with the based on the Treaty of Madras, because of in that Madras Treaty they already done the agreement. So if any third party, if they doing war against British or Hyder Ali, each dynasty also they want to help each other, we want to help. So that like only they did the agreement. If any other third dynasty they are doing war against British government, Hyder Ali want to come and help, or if they are doing against Hyder Ali, British they want to come and do the help. So same here also situation is going on. So on that time Hyder Ali, he asked the help of British, because of this like Madhava Rao is doing a battle against Hyder Ali. So our dynasty, based on the Madras Treaty, you could come and do the help. But the British government rejected the request of Hyder Ali. So when they rejected, so Hyder Ali thought that, so they broken the Madras Treaty. So in that time, one of the important situation or one of the important incident happened in the place of Mysuru. So that is here they saying, so Maye is one of the important colony of French. Maye is one of the important colony of French. So this is under the control of Hyder Ali. Maye, the colony of French, but who are the maintaining in that particular place means Hyder Ali. So British, they thought that we want to capture a Maye. So they did the battle and they captured the place of Maye. So when the British government captured the Mahe, under the control of Hyder Ali, so this is one of the important reason, the Hyder Ali and British, they started by once again the battle. So this only battle we are calling as a second Anglo-Mysore War. So on that based, the second Anglo-Mysore War started in the year of 1780. So in the beginning, Hyder Ali captured so much place of Carnatic region, not only in Carnatic region, in southern part of, there are different types of places he captured. So here they are saying he captured the place of Carnatic region and Kanchipuram. After that here they are saying the Mysore army, they reached till Coromandel beach. So when they reached the Coromandel beach, the British officers, they become worried, because of he's one of the important strong person. He came till Coromandel beach. We have this much of weapons, technology, or we have strongest army force, but could not defeat it. The Hyder Ali. So they have become they worried. So after that here they say Hyder Ali went to Arcot and they captured. So after that he went Vandivash and Vellore. Here also he captured some of the place. So on that time in British army side, one of the important leader, he took a leadership. He became a commander. That is Sir Eyrecourt. So when Sir Eyrecourt he became a leader. So after that Sir Eyrecourt he battled against Hyder Ali. So Hyder Ali he came back till Pondicherry. So when he came, Hyder Ali when he came to Pondicherry, so on that time Hyder Ali he asked the help of French, but French they did not given any support to Hyder Ali. So after that he saw the situation, so on that base he changed the war strategy also. So when he changed the war strategy, the British government, they lost so much of place and wealth. So which are the places they captured by British government? So these are the places they lost in southern India, southern part, and another one they lost so much of wealth also. So these like of situations is going on beginning of war. So after that Hyder Ali, he defeated the war in Port Nave by the British. So in the Port Nove, so in that place in British, they defeated by Hyder Ali. So when they defeated by British Hyder Ali, so after that, now British government, they took as a sum of the confidence, because this is the first time they defeated by Hyder Ali. So after that year they say, and but suffered financially setback. But they defeated by Hyder Ali, but British, they lost so much of finance or money. So next one point they say, after that by the Salbai agreement, after that here they say, by the Salbai agreement, here they saying British successfully won the art of Nizam of Hyderabad and Marathas, because of they did Anglo-Maratha war. So on that based Anglo-Maratha war, they did agreement of Salbai agreement. So on that based Marathas and Nizam of Hyderabad, they want to give a support to not Hyder Ali, they want to give support to British. So here they say, so on that based is a single person Hyder Ali, he did battle against the British government. So finally he died in a battlefield in the during of war. So after that in this war continued by his son Tipu Sultan. So when he took the leadership in second Anglo-Mysore war, he started war battle in the field of Malabar region. So when he started the battle, so on that time here they saying British government, they captured some of the place of Mysore dynasty. One is here they say Mangalore, second one is Bidanuru. Mangalore and Bidanuru, both places also captured by British government. So on that time only other dynasty of southern part South India's, they are seeing, so this is chance we also can battle against Mysore or Tipu Sultan, we also can capture some of the place. So these like here they say, one is here saying by Calicut and Malabar regions. So these in this region rulers, they also thought that this is one of the important chance, we should not leave, we want to capture some of the place of Tipu Sultan's regions. So Tipu Sultan have understood what was the situation is going on in our surrounding area. So after that he thought that I want to protect the area of coastal region of Mysuru, that is Mangaluru. So he battled against, strongly battled against, he opposed against the British government, and he captured the place of Mangalore. So when he captured the place of Mangalore, so after that the war will end. So British, they ended the war with the Treaty of Mangalore. When the Tipu Sultan defeated by British in the place of Mangalore, and when he captured the once again the place of Mangalore, so after that British, they end the war with the based on the agreement of Mangalore Treaty. So these are the important points about second Anglo-Mysore war. So second Anglo-Mysore war start in the year of 1780, end 1784. So what was the reasons? So Mahe is the colony of French. So this place is captured by British government. Why? This is the reason, because of the Mahe under the control of Hyder Ali. And another reason we understood, Madhavrao, he battled against Srirangapatna. So on that time British could not come and given the support to Hyder Ali. So this is also one of the important reason. But main reason, the Mahe is a French colony under the control of Hyder Ali. So this place captured by British. This is one of the important reason for second Anglo-Mysore war. And what was the incident happened? We are all knowing. Hyder Ali captured Arcot, and we are knowing different types of places he captured, and he went till Pondicherry. So these are the points we are knowing. So after that year they saying, and he captured Coromandel beach. But middle of war, Hyder Ali died. After that this place, or who took leadership in that second Anglo-Mysore war, we are knowing Tipu Sultan. So when Tipu Sultan became leadership, so on that time British, they captured some of the place of Tipu Sultan dynasty. One is Mangalore, second one is Bidanuru. So after that, once again strongly that Tipu Sultan opposed by the British rule or British, the battle of British. So he captured once again the Mangalore region. So when they captured the Mangalore region, the second Anglo-Mysore war ended with the Treaty of Mangalore. So these are the important points about second Anglo-Mysore War. So in the second Anglo-Mysore War also won by Tipu Sultan. So these are the important points about first Anglo-Mysore War and second Anglo-Mysore War. Next class we can discuss about next another important topic. Okay, thank you.